Working overtime is keeping you poor. You don't need to work more hours. You don't need more shifts. Let me explain. I'll tell you a story because I've seen this happen over and over again. Let's imagine Marcus. Marcus is in his late 20s, maybe his early 30s. He's working double shifts at the warehouse, 6 days a week, barely taking any days off, right? No vacations. He's just grinding. He's not getting ahead. He's just staying above water, paying his bills, paying rent, buying groceries, just trying to take care of Junior. And there's nothing wrong with that. The problem is he keeps telling himself that in 3 months, he's going to finally branch off and do his own thing. He just needs to get a little bit more ahead. And then 3 months pass by, and then a year, decades. I'm sure you know somebody like this. You see, Marcus, he gets stuck because he never actually develops a plan to not need to work overtime in order to get ahead. He got stuck. The trap is we spend our time in order to make money. And when we trade our time for money, we're always limited because there's only 24 hours in the day. This isn't what rich people do. Rich people, they use leverage. The system doesn't reward effort. It rewards leverage. So what rich people do is when they make some money, what do? They buy other people's time. They buy assets that then pay them. These things pay them while they're not working, while they're not even awake. Every hour that you're spending working on someone else's business, right? Those hours are going into the exponential growth of those people's futures. You are their leverage. And every hour that you're spending not working on yourself, building your plan, right, is keeping you from experiencing that same type of growth. You have to make a really hard decision. I'm going to imagine that you're in one of 3 different buckets. The first bucket is that you can't work less because your expenses are too high. In that situation, you have to find a way to cut your expenses, and you have to be relentless about it. Just don't sacrifice your health. The second is that you just don't have a money cushion, really. You don't have enough savings to go out and start investing in your business. And in that situation, you might actually need to double down for just a little bit, not forever, to start getting that savings up. The third is that honestly, you're just scared. And for a lot of people, that's what it really is. You're scared to take that leap of faith. You're scared that it might not work. And the truth is, it's not going to work. It's not going to work in the beginning. Steve Jobs didn't immediately create the iPhone and everybody loved him. He got fired from his job. Bill Gates didn't create Windows out of nowhere and immediately it blew up. No. He failed. They failed and they failed again and they iterated. But the most important thing was that they got started and that they had a plan. Let's go back to Marcus, right? One day he finally tells himself, right, this is not it. And instead of working overtime, he goes home at night and he starts building a freelancing business where he's teaching people something online or he's doing graphic design because he just loves design. So that's what he can go home and still be able to do at night. Eventually, it takes a while. It's like 3 months, 4 months, but finally he gets some money out of it. Fast forward another 12 months, all of a sudden, he's got his own business. And he's making more money there than he's making at the warehouse. But the thing is that one day he decided that wasn't it. And he developed himself a plan. Working overtime is not going to get you to where you want to go. Working on you in that overtime, that's what's going to do it. If you feel stuck and you just don't know what to do next, I made something just for you, and it's completely free. In the link in the description below is going to be a system, a 2-part system. The first is going to help you to define your purpose and figure out exactly what it is that you need to do next. Because the most important thing is that you just take that first step. Once you take that first step in your emotion, right, everything is going to change. The second is an actual system that will help you to work through exactly how to build wealth. Okay, there's the 3 paths to wealth building. That is the second part of what's in the link in the description. Once again, it's completely free. You just got to put in your email. So the thing that I want you to do is to, however you do it, is to just create a plan. You have to take that first step, because if you don't, I've seen it 1,000 times. I've seen it over and over again. You just get stuck. So listen, like I said, that is in the description down below. Click the link, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to keep working through the information that's in that 2-part system. But other than that, I hope this was helpful for you and that you understand now why working overtime is just not going to make you rich.